Chenro mar chiwo chiemb jamni e gwenge ma nyandwat mar Kenya kaka yo mar bero chumi ma pacho ka kendo duogo geno mar oganda e weche mag pur. Jagoro mongirore migawo marango weche mag ohelni matindo Patrick Kilemi olero ni okang' makamano getono ni jamni ok odar ka itero kuonde mamoko nikech oro ma kinde ka kinde gino ma bende osebedo ka kelo gwandruok e kind oganda ma jopith. Nolose e boma Nakuru ero mano kilo kanyakla jochung' ne riwruoge ma wuok e kauntis 14 mani nyandwat mar piny Kenya.
We are talking about peace, we are talking about economic empowerment of our people through peaceful coexistence. You may have noticed that in the recent past, the Ngans have gone silent. The Ngans have gone silent because of the initiative organizations like Interpeace are having in this particular region. Is that we are harnessing the power of the people by bringing them together to work together in the value chains that are feasible and viable in these particular counties, and aggregating the people through cooperatives so that people are economically engaged for the betterment of their lives.
So we want to aggregate this livestock through the cooperative model to create value and give value to the livestock owners, and to create a market system that is reliable, that the steady supply of livestock can be predictable, and the quality and standard of livestock can be improved. And this can only be done when we have got people working through cooperative model, supported by now technical staff from Ministry of Agriculture for further production.